Welcome to our YouTube channel, All America Selections Flowers and Vegetables, and today I want to profile a 2020 All America Selections winner, the Snak Hero pea. It's an absolutely delicious pea, sugar snap type, edible pod, delicious large peas inside, but they come on these 4-inch slender pods. They look very different than your standard snap peas, but just as good, same exact texture. They get about 2 feet tall, somewhere between 18, 24 inches, maybe a little bit taller. They don't have to be staked. Super productive. Let me just show you just all the peas on here. I've harvested a couple off of this group, but this is what they come in like. And if you keep harvesting, you'll get more until the season warms up. Now the beauty of peas is even though you might be seeing them now, it's the middle of June, you can pick these up and you can plant them for a fall crop. But I highly recommend the Snak Hero. Doesn't need a lot of really trellising. You could absolutely love it. They look great on the plate, perfect off the vine, but I highly recommend the 2020 AAS winner Snak Hero pea for everything that you see here. And just a side tip too, not only can you eat peas, obviously, but you can break off the tendrils, use them in salads too. But just absolutely look at how productive this variety is. And remember, when you buy an All America Selections winner, the proof is in the plant, and you can certainly see that in a Snak Hero pea.